Welcome to 26 Iannucci Crescent, a gorgeous 4-bedroom home with 5 washrooms, nestled on a quiet, family-minded street within the Greensborough neighbourhood of Markham. A corner property with a nicely sized backyard, a double-car garage, and landscaped with stone front and back. A portion of this brick home's exterior is finished with a stone facade, the stone portico having glass-paneled doors with scrolled wrought iron inserts, a befitting entry into a main level that exudes modern elegance. Upgraded polished floor tiles flow from the foyer through the main hall and into the kitchen area, while beautiful wide plank hardwood flooring envelops the living, dining, and family rooms with traditional warmth. These elegant entertaining spaces have an open theme layout, large windows allowing for natural light with California shutters for privacy, and a soft color palette with warm undertones that is paired beautifully with crisp white trimwork. A modern farmhouse light fixture casts ambient light in the dining room. Another modern light fixture illuminates the foyer, while pot lighting brings added brightness to much of this level. In addition to warm light through its east and north-facing windows, the family room also enjoys the coziness of a gas fireplace that is surrounded by a crisp white mantle, this room having an openness to the stunning custom kitchen. This exceptional meal prep space features California shutters on its window and the sliding door walkout to the backyard, as well as the same soft color palette seen in the entertaining rooms, and showcases an island with added storage and a wine rack, cabinetry with extended height uppers, crown moldings, and great storage including a pantry, a stainless steel undermount sink, and appliances that include a built-in dishwasher, a 5-burner gas cooktop, range hood, a wall oven and microwave, as well as a French door fridge, quartz counters and backsplashes, while above the breakfast area is a gorgeous flower petal pendant chandelier. Off a short side hallway is a powder room, its vanity having a quartz counter, and a sunken laundry room that features a walk-in coat closet, a stainless steel sink, a front-load washer and dryer, an upgraded light fixture, and access to the garage. This and the powder room also finished with upgraded polished floor tiles. The steps to the laundry room, those with a sunken landing across from the breakfast room, and the staircase to the upper level all feature hardwood treads with white risers and are accompanied by hardwood handrails or hardwood railings with wrought iron pickets. The hardwood a perfect match to the wide plank hardwood flooring of the main and upper levels. The upper level showcases 4 spacious bedrooms with ensuite or semi-ensuite washrooms, the windows in these rooms all having California shutters, upgraded light fixtures as well as pot lighting in the hallway and master suite, a hallway loft ideal as a sitting area or an office, and an exquisite modern crystal chandelier above the staircase. The second bedroom features a walk-in closet with organizers, east and north-facing exposures, as well as semi-private access to the common-use 3-piece washroom. Which showcases upgraded floor and shower wall tiles, rainfall and handheld shower heads with its glass shower, and a vanity with a quartz counter. This washroom is also a semi-ensuite for the third bedroom, which has a double-sized closet with a single door, as well as west and north-facing exposures. The fourth bedroom, and the second and third bedrooms as well, all can accommodate sitting or study areas. The fourth bedroom also featuring a west-facing exposure, a double closet, and a 3-piece ensuite washroom with upgraded floor and shower wall tiles, a wall-to-wall vanity with a quartz counter, as well as a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads. Through a double-door entry is the generously sized master suite. This elegant personal space, enjoying an east-facing exposure, having plenty of room for a sitting area, and featuring a large walk-in closet complete with organizers. Its stunning 5-piece ensuite washroom, showcasing upgraded floor and wall tiles, a freestanding tub with a handheld shower, a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads, and a vanity with a quartz counter and undermount basins. Fully finished and offering amazing entertaining and recreational space, the lower level showcases quality laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, oversized basement windows, plenty of storage including a cold room, and a 3-piece washroom with easy care vinyl flooring, a vanity with countertop basin and an upgraded light, as well as a glass shower with upgraded wall tiles and a spa system. The huge open-concept recreation space has built-in ceiling speakers throughout, has a games area that can also be utilized as a fitness, play, or conversation room, showcases a custom wet bar with seating at its island, cabinetry storage, floating shelves, a stainless steel sink and beverage fridge, quartz counters, and an upgraded honeycomb tile backsplash, as well as a family media or home theater room with built-in wall speakers, and which features an accent wall of wainscoting with an upper stackstone facade. The fully fenced backyard has a large stone patio area with semicircular steps to the sliding door walkout, its curved wall having lantern lights. The hot tub has privacy lattice on 2 sides, and the side portion of the yard is an ideal space for outdoor play or for gardening. A short walk to Sam Chapman Public School, green spaces, and public transit. This home is also minutes from the Mount Joy GO Station, community centers, and Swan Lake Park, with Markham Stouffville Hospital, the Markville Shopping Center, golf courses, as well as the historic destinations of Main Street, Markham, and Unionville, with their fine shops, restaurants, and entertainment, all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.